How to fix HVCI enabled in Valorant Windows 11. Getting the HVCI error when launching Valorant, let's fix it step by step. So step 1, go ahead and open Windows Security. Click on WinS on your keyboard and then type Windows Security and launch the app. Click on it and then go to Device Security. And then on device security, you'll find core isolation settings. Open core isolation details, and here you'll see your memory integrity option, also known as HVCI. Turn off memory integrity, restart your PC when prompted. This is required for Vanguard to run properly. If the toggle won't turn off, update your drivers in Device Manager first. Open Valorant again. Vanguard should now load without the HVCI error.